Hey, if you want to set iPhone ringtone on your Samsung S24 FE, first of all, you will have to open the Google Play Store, get this application, the Zedge Wallpapers and Ringtones, and you will have to open it. Now all you have to do is just accept the terms of the service and these notifications. And now click X, don't pay for it. Then go for sounds, click on the search and input iPhone phrase. Now select ringtones. Let's check this one. Yeah, this is the sound that we are looking for. So we will have to click on this button, tap to set a ringtone, accept this permission and go back. And now let's check if it works. Yeah, it does. Take a look. If it is not working, you will have to repeat the process, and you can even uninstall this application. You don't have to keep this on your phone. Take a look. And the ringtone stays. There we go. So that's how we can do this. Thanks for watching.